Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the platform and creating a clear baseline so you know what changes affect performance. Check PSU capacity and connectors. Unstable 12V causes throttling. Run a short benchmark to capture temps, clock speeds, and power draw. Update drivers and GPU firmware because microcode and driver fixes unlock improvements. Once done, document the current fan curve and the age of thermal paste. These are actionable levers we will modify immediately. Next, optimize cooling and electrical delivery to allow sustained higher clocks. You replace thermal paste and pads to lower junction temperature because heat is the limiter. Better contact yields measurable megahertz gains. You then set an aggressive but quiet fan curve and improve case airflow, ensuring cooler intake. Simultaneously, tweak power limit and perform voltage control. Lower V with a slightly higher power budget often raises sustained boost clocks. Make small, incremental changes, and finally, you fine-tune clocks and verify stability to complete the process. Increase core and memory in small increments, 10 to 30 megahertz, and run 10 to 15-minute stress tests after each change because artifacts and instability appear quickly under load. Monitor temps and VRM behavior. If you see crashes or visual glitches, revert the last step, reseat the card, and confirm PSU health. One key troubleshooting tip. If instability persists, restore stock settings and focus on cooling or power delivery before further
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.